Hi, I'm Emma.
And I'm Steve.
We're the founders of Phantom Factory. And if you've experienced any of our e-learning so far, you may have noticed that our storytelling uses Mars-based scenarios and narratives for the training. So why have we done this? Well, it's because we find Mars thrilling and fun. As sci-fi nerds, we're absolutely over the moon that Mars exploration could be tangible, not just in our lifetime, but in the next decade. It signifies a real inspiration to us of a positive advancement for humankind and technology.
And we are proud to be amongst some of the very first official Mars Society ambassadors. So you may see more from us on this soon.